Hey Shannon, what are you working on?
Hey Peyton, I'm working on a medlock handle. I need to get this prototype really quick, but I'm not sure if it's going to fit.
Well, why don't you just send me the file and I can 3D print it for you?
3D print it for me? No, I need a part. I don't need a picture.
Well, that's what 3D printing will do. Did you know that Tylok has 3D printing?
I didn't know that.
Well, yeah, just send me the file and we can get it printed for you.
How long is it going to take? Because I need it quick.
Oh, it won't take very long.
Okay, I'll send it to you.
All right. Just sent the print. Let's go check out the lab. This print looks good. Do you know how 3D printing works? A 3D printer heats up the plastic and extrudes it through a nozzle in a specific location determined by the 3D model. It continues to layer this plastic on top of the previous layer until the part is complete. With quick turnaround time and tight tolerances, Tylok is able to use 3D printing in product development as well as nearly every other aspect of the company. Hey Shannon, your parts are finished.
Wow, really? That quick?
Yeah, that quick.
Oh, these look great.
Awesome.
I just want to check one thing here.
Okay.
This one hole here. Oh, yeah, this hole looks like it's a little too small. Dang. Can you reprint it?
Yeah, of course I can reprint it. Just make the change and send it to me.
All right, I can do that.
All right. Version 2, ready to go.
Oh yeah, these look great. Let me check that hole again. Oh, these are perfect.
Awesome.
Hey, thank you very much.
Of course.